when you gotta put a bulb in a Chrysler. Lovely. It's actually pretty simple. You unscrew 3 little things, put the bulb in, and screw it back in here. Make sure it's tight. Take this sucker, place it in the back of your car. Make sure it lines up with the hose. Bam! Taillight back in. And a brand new bulb. Woohoo! Doesn't take a male or a genius to do it. Hold it in place. Come back here. It's got little knobs. It's got little black things that you twist on. And then you gotta plug the light back in. Pretty cool, actually. Slide this black piece back in, right here. And then you just flip that back. Bam! You got a new turn signal. Guess what? It works! And a female did it on a Chrysler. Not bad, huh? And as you can tell, here's the burnt one. It's blown.